All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the third and final, well, it should be third and final video of this build series. So we're going to go through, we're going to get the transmission back in the rig. I picked up some electronics here. We got a Reedy ESC and a 16-turn crawler motor. I think it's going to work well. Then we're also going to get the shock dialed in. We're going to change out the springs, add in some shock fluid. And then we got the super sick Savox servo. We did go with the waterproof guide there. That's going to do the job. Finished adding our stainless steels, hardware, and then we got our metal drive shafts. So we're going to go through. We got a lot to get done in this video. I'm going to try to get it done within a decent time for you guys. So let's start building. Again, this is not going to be a technical video. We're just going to go through. I'll do a time lapse. I'll make little key points here and there, but I want to get this done. And as long as I get this all onto the rig, then we'll do the panels, and then we'll have a finally completed rig. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, well after a little bit we got steering and we got drive shafts. I still got to get the ESC in there, figure out where I'm going to locate that guy, and yeah, yep. So let's keep moving forward, we're getting close. Alright, so ESC is in there. Before we take it out, we'll find a good spot to put that. We do need to get it up here a little bit because that's where the receiver goes. Let's add in our little body here. Cover up some of this noise, you know what I mean? Cover up some of this noise. There we go. Got our guy in there, all loaded up and all that good stuff. Ready to roll. All right. We're getting pretty close, guys. I mean, besides needing to hook up the batteries and put the receiver in here, I'm yawning. That's pretty much about it. We do need to do the shocks, obviously, but I think we're going to do that another time because I need to take them off. And I don't feel like doing it right now. Maybe we will. Let's just keep moving forward. All right, guys, it is time for the reveal. Are you ready? Count down with me. 3, 2, 1. On your mark, get set, go. There we go, guys. She's got the panels on. What does that mean? Still not done yet, but it's almost. I'll explain here in a second. But check this thing out. It looks absolutely killer, man. Looks killer. I love it, man. Again, these are old panels, man. They've been everywhere, but this thing just turned out epic. I'm actually super jealous. Super jealous. So, all right, so what we need to do now is a maintenance session. So I still need to switch out the shock, the springs and the shocks. I need to add oil to the shocks, obviously. And then I still need to run the wires for the ESC to the receiver, get it all binded up and stuff like that. And one thing I have not done yet that I still want to is get into the diffs. So officially one more video, guys. I'm sorry for dragging this along, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I promise we'll be done soon. But just check this thing out. Let's just look at it. Get this stuff out of the way. Get this stuff out of the way. Dude, I love the way it turned out, dude. This thing's sick. It's super sick. It's going to be a lot of fun. So again, we installed that Savox servo in there, waterproof. We got the stainless steering links, Desert Lick or Desert Lizard, Desert Lick, internally spring shocks. We got these eBay methods. See how those hold up. Okay, and then we got the links, the metal drive shafts, the whole 9 yards. Looking good, looking good. Good little full bolt on, you know, good little full bolt on. But yeah, dude, I'm excited. I'm excited. I can't wait to get the wife on the trail with this thing and check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed it thus far. Again, we're gonna do one more video just to do some maintenance real fast, do the shocks, run the battery, get it installed, bind it all up, and then we'll be ready to roll. So thank you guys so much for watching so far, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helped me out a lot. It's just fun, and I want to know that, you know, people are enjoying this content. So I can't wait to get this out on the road. Man, I'm super stoked. Tell me what you guys think about it. Let me know if there's anything that you noticed that I missed. I did revisit the links again one more time, and I put them off to the side. So not straight up and down, but off to the side like that. So that's the right way to do it. But anyways, all right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, man, and we'll talk to you guys soon.